First open your Start menu and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Hardware and Sound. Click on Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter. Select Properties. Select Advanced. Locate your wireless mode. Expand your value. In here you can select between 2.4 or 5 GHz. You can also select dual band. Choose whatever you want and then press OK. Now close your Device Manager. First open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press Yes. Now restart.